like a part?
Because it is.
It's, yeah, you know what that is?
Steering
That is a steering stabilizer bracket. So it looks like we're gonna, here's some bolts for it.
With the 6-inch lift, it definitely needs a steering.
Yes, when you put 35s on anything, it needs a steering stabilizer, bro. This is how we go part shopping here, KJ. You need more bushings?
Huh?
You need more radius arm bushings?
Yeah.
No?
There's a problem.
Look, there's a socket. What's that? There's not a socket. That's the other end of that dry shaft. You should pry out of there. Brake shoe. Yes, we need that.
No, I'm probably just gonna buy everything.
Oh, these are grade 5. It's garbage. All right, so we got to bring it up on top dead center before we do anything.
I'll sit in the counter.
And I'll put my finger on the hole. Farm equipment parts, that is sure. Hey, the horn blows. No, I'm not ready. That's... I'm trying to get my finger over number 1. The lights all work in here. I hear it. So what I'm trying to do here, guys, is I'm trying to get my finger down in the hole here to where I can put my finger over number 1 hole. There it is. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, bump. That was it right there. Go all the way again. Bump, bump, bump. That's her. She's just a little past dead right there. It actually has decent compression on number 1. I'm sure the people watching at home on live really love to hear that noise. Stop it. A distributor gear. Ha ha. I unplugged the horns on him. You deserve it. All right, so what are we going to do here? Are these distributors the same? Are they different? One is definitely out of a 351 Windsor. Guys, I greatly apologize for the awesome camera work tonight. I actually think those distributor housings are the same. Do you agree? Okay, but this one will not go in the hole because it's so much bigger. So I need to change the distributor shaft. To change the distributor shaft, you have to come here. Who are you talking to? You leaving? Oh man, we're just having fun. So to change these, you gotta get these off. And then that distributor, that whole shaft will come up out of there.
What do you want?
Well, I wanted you to help me, but if you're leaving, I guess we gotta be done.
Yeah, you can still play.
Well, I can play, I agree, but I would then need a way to hold this camera and still talk to the people. Although the camera work has been sublime tonight. I'm sure that everybody's just so happy about it. No one has commented in a while. Hello? Is there anybody out there? What should we do, guys? My plan is to make one distributor and try to make this motor run. Shall I do it? Problem again, like I said, is I want to get this phone hung somewhere